Guess what? We are going to do the first one. Everybody's on their way out here.
Life here at 50.
There we go. You ready?
Yeah, life here at 50, guys.
We're all following our leader here.
You're violating some German laws here, brother. Yeah.
He's going to be on the tubes here.
Yes.
All right, look at that behind. Look at the big crowd back there. They're ready to take on the first challenge of the day. So this should be interesting. Got any little tidbits to tell us before this thing?
I would just be ready.
Just be ready?
Yeah, be ready and get your brain warmed up too.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Mental side is key to the whole thing, is what they're saying. So everybody's jacked up, ready to go. They can't wait to get on their bikes tomorrow, but today it's gonna be a little bit of a mental game. So, all right, folks, we'll see you soon. Bye. All right, folks, this is the first challenge. They've got to build a bridge. They got to get the GS up on this bridge, and they got to get it all the way down to the bottom. So now do they have to go all the way back to start from the beginning when they drop it down?
No, they're done.
Oh, you're done.
Yeah, they're done.
Teams are working hard here, gang. This is pretty crazy. A lot of teamwork in this first challenge. Fun stuff. They're working it. They're working it. Oh.
Using the spacing.
Yep. These guys got this one going down pretty good.
Yeah. They got the rhythm going.
As long as you don't lose that little bit of momentum, right? Get going too quick, and next thing you know, you dump it or something.
Yeah.
Is that team 3 over there that's doing that one on the far side there? Or team 4? Oh.
What disqualified? I'm almost ready to drop.
They can't get this. They gotta get this back tire off there. As long as they don't lose the back tire, they'll be fine. Oh, wow, that's awesome. Woo!
Go.
Nice. Nice job. Excellent work.
Good job, guys. Who's gonna run the front brake?
Talk about muscle bound here.
Go. Push it. Got it. Keep going.
What do you think about this technique here, boss? This is
I would have done it, but of course it would have just been me. And those little horses over my shoulder. Carried it to glory. Somebody told him there was beer on the other side.
Gotcha.
Barely on there.
Oh my.
Keep going. Finish this. Just keep going. Don't worry about the one back here. We're almost there. Almost. Okay, we're getting ready to come off the line. Okay,
Oh!
good job, man.
Oh my God. That was nuts. That was intense. Special about this one? What do they have to do?
One less board than they had last time.
One less board.
Go, go, go!
Go around a turn.
One less board. They don't have 6, they have 5. And they've got to make a turn, folks. Pretty crazy. Woo!
Yeah, we gotta look on the front. Alright, ready? Let's lift the bike up. Yep. Ready? Go, what? Up! Can I get the brake?
Out. You're out. You're inside the board. You're inside.
Wow! Wow!
You just pick it up. Okay, bring it up.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Ron, Haley. 4. Stop.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Wait.
Good?
Yes. Nice. Ready? Hold on. No, not ready. Just stop. Ready? Back, rear ready?
Back's ready.
Hold on. All right.
Stop.
Rear ready?
Front ready. Forward. Stop.
Good job.
Excellent.
Good one.
Nice.
Get 3 on there.
There's 3.
1, 2, 3. 2, 3. Go. Stop.
Oh.
Too fast.
Oh.
Sorry, guys.
Touch the ground. Yep.
So, can we go back and start over?
No.
So we need to lift. Everybody get up here and lift up.
Oh. All right, this is the final round, and they are doing this in the sand here. And they got to do a double zigzag. And only 4 boards. Oh! It's going to be a wire finish.
Good. Not good.
That's good. Hold.
Come on.
That's good. All right. Hold on. Push. Oh, hold on.
Split.
But they gotta get all the way off.
Yeah, that's good.
Come on, guys.
One more. Hold on. One more. I can't.
That passes beyond.
Forward.
Yeah!
Yes.
Are we ready? Roll. Stop. Okay. Ready? Roll. Stop. Ready? Roll.
No.
Okay, roll, stop. Roll. Stop. Roll. Lift, ready, 1, 2, 3, go! Go, push, down! Woo! Yeah! Figure it out. Get a little better at lifting motorcycles in high five. Your bike. No, they're going to do it. Your bike. Thank you.